Hi, I'm here with Ben Brockett from Marvin and Integrity Windows and Doors. He's going to explain some new features and some new products. So Ben, take it away.
Sure. Tim, we're taking a look first at what Marvin is calling their next generation ultimate double hung.
Yeah.
Some features of this double hung from the interior are they've done a great job of concealing the hardware and weather strip systems so that what you see on the inside of this window is all wood. They wanted to make it look like a traditional rope and pulley style window at the end of the day, and I think they've done a good job at concealing the jam hardware, the balance tube system, the weather stripping that are quite often visible on the inside. A lot of other innovation that this product carries really has to do with the hardware system. So one of the things that they've done is they have a multifunctional sash lock here that when opened, of course, allows you to open the sash. If you close the sash lock in the open position, it actually finds a secure vent position which allows you to keep the window open in the summertime to get about 4 inches of ventilation, but it securely locks the window as if it was in the closed and locked position. The other thing it allows you to do is it has a easy tilt mode for washing. As you operate the sash lock, there's a little stem that pops up in the center of the lock. If I compress that stem and continue to rotate the sash lock, it actually with one hand allows me to tilt the window in to clean it.
Okay.
The other thing that this window does is when it is closed, it automatically locks. So if you watch the rotation of the sash lock, as this sash is closed, it's automatically going to close into the locked position.
Okay.
So we rate our windows for performance when they're closed and locked.
Yep.
And obviously this makes it such that if the window's closed, it's in what we would call performance mode.
Okay. And as far as the top, like a sash coming down.
Sure. Great question. So when we operate the sash lock, you'll hear an audible click as we start to raise this window. What that's done by raising the lower sash, first is it's locked the top sash in place. It prevents what we see often, we call it sash creep, but gravity obviously wants to pull this top sash down, especially if a window is left unlocked in a seasonal application. And this locks the top sash in place so that now when the window is finally closed, let's say come fall, the locking mechanisms align.
Okay. And as far as tilting out and cleaning?
Both sash are fully tiltable and removable. The bottom sash mechanism, simply press that center stem, rotate the lock, and we can drop the lower sash in to clean. If we wanted to, at this position, we can actually take that sash out of its opening, but we'll leave it in place for now. The top sash has 2 separate lock mechanisms that we can operate to bring the top sash down, and then there's 2 little tilt latches that are also built into the top sash that will allow us to tilt and clean the top sash as well.
Okay.